don't like it. No.
And if part kayo ng Wilkaville, ma-share nyo kung anong section ninyo.
Actually, we're just a casual viewers who enjoy to Wilka. Actually, nag-viral yung tweet ko when I tweeted na bumili kami kasi talagang nag-enjoy lang kami sa Wilka.
Thank you so much.
I am Chloe King and this is Cedric Angeles.
Thank you so much! Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng bagong Wilka San!
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay, so now we are on the lookout for our next interviewee dito sa baba ng stage. Pupunta kami dito sa kabilang side ng ating plaza. Maraming nakapila doon.
Okay, we're currently on the lookout for the next person na maaari nating nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Pumipila
Sa mga
po
nakapila
kayo.
po dito. Then,
Not here.
busy sila.
Busy sila.
Sa
Understood.
snacks nila.
Balik tayo dito sa kabilang side ng ating floor.
And everyone, we just want to remind you na yung middle aisle po natin is off limits dahil dyan po papasok si Will and si Bianca later. So, if we can just stay off the middle aisle. Ay, partner, let's go here kasi may humarang sa akin. Gusto magpa-interview.
O darating.
Hello po!
Hello,
Magandang gabi!
So, kumusta so far yung survey? Babalik mo naman ng food? Gusto kong balik-balikan? Gusto ko na kain? Winter! Kailan? Winter! It's a kanto! So much! Tamas lang ako dito sa fair. May paborito akong Wilka eh.
And you were my Carnea! It was you against the world!
Feeling ko, na-visualize natin yun lahat. Alam natin yung edit na yan.
Wait lang, may sinasabi yung supportive friends ni Felicia dito. Pwedeng marinig po on mic. Ayaw na nila, nahiya na. Well, anyway, Okay, thank you again, Felicia and Kalachuchi. So, iikot kami ulit para sa susunod na interview namin. Saan ba yung busy na booth?
I think, partner, we're needed back at the stage. So, kami babalik towards the stage. Thank you so much to everyone who shared how they're doing, how they're feeling when it comes to the fair. We hope you continue to enjoy our booths, our games, get your freebies and your prizes.